Yeah, at AIB, our vision is actually to try to make digital disappear. And what I mean by that is that we're marketing now in a digital age. So instead of us bringing in a digital team or having people that specifically have digital in their title, digital should be at the center of everything we do. Business goal for us for the learning and development was very much about creating a consistency across the team. We operate in financial services, but a lot of the team have a very diverse set of backgrounds. And what we really needed to do was have a consistency right across the team so that the team were confident and we were confident that there was a very strong competence around digital and that it would be consistent, so we could spend most of our time thinking about truly understanding our customers and engaging and executing with real creativity and flair.
In AIB, we decided to seek out a partner for training to, I suppose, help develop our staff in the digital marketing sphere for a couple of reasons. The first being an opportunity to enable our staff to upskill and maybe broaden their skills in marketing into an area that a lot of people, it wouldn't have been part of the traditional, I suppose, studying diplomas or degrees maybe 5–10 years ago. And I suppose the second piece then is around really, I suppose, moving with the needs of our marketing campaigns. So our spend would have shifted significantly over the last kind of 5 years from very traditional media into digital channels. So for us, it was very important that the people who were, spending and managing the campaigns, that they really fully understood all the elements of digital marketing.
From a digital point of view, there are constantly new and different ways for customers to consume products, for customers to engage with each other, and also different ways they want to be engaged with from a brand point of view. So I think the real challenge for marketeers is to stay ahead of that and really accelerate the agility of our learning to make sure that we can stay ahead and serve customers the way they need to be served.
Our hope was that our team, on a wider scale outside of our core digital team, would actually have a much better understanding, in particular, of search, social and analytics. And I suppose coming out of this, we would say that that definitely has happened. I think the wider team really have broadened their knowledge and their understanding of where their media we're spending in digital is going and actually what happens at the back end of all that activity. So that's really important for us.
I think the digital training has had a very strong impact really on the team. Everybody is at a similar level, and that we have a very strong depth of knowledge in the team around digital and the different elements of it. So really what that's allowed the team to do is focus on really brilliant execution of engagement programs, or building really innovative propositions for customers as well. So I suppose that's what the training has enabled us to do, is to focus less on those core skills, because everybody now has got quite a deep competence in the area, and focus more on kind of creativity and innovation.